Hey everyone, we're going to be showing you how to clean your silver jewelry. We have an earring here. We had another piece that we just cleaned, but I want to show a different way and do a comparison. So this way is very similar. We're going to be using foil. We're going to have hot water and baking soda. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. First, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this bowl like this. It doesn't have to be nice or anything. Just go ahead and wrap it. Then I'm going to take the excess foil. We're going to go ahead and put it here. And we're also going to need some salt. So let me go ahead and put the salt in first. I'm going to put just a couple tablespoons. And then we want to put in a couple of tablespoons of, all right, maybe a tablespoon. I'm putting extra. Oh, this is already hardened. Oops, mine's a little hard. Obviously, I'm wasting a little bit, but all right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put in the earring, the silver. Put it like that, and finally, we're gonna put the hot water. Okay. All right. Well, usually it takes about 1 to 20 minutes depending on your silver. And wow, in this case, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's already changed colors. All right, let's see. Come on, let's give it a couple minutes. All right, let's see the results. It's been a good about 15-20 minutes now. Not bad. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down with this paper towel. It's a little bit the thicker kind. Yeah, you can see. So it's quite dirty earlier. And this is the difference between the left is with the baking soda and the right is without. Overall, I mean, in person, this looks a lot better. But you can see it's still a little stained in certain places. So yeah, I would recommend using it with the baking soda. But if you don't have baking soda and you're in a rush, the salt and the foil is good. Maybe before a night out, you just throw it into this bowl. And by the time you finish your shower and doing your hair, it'll be ready. Let's go ahead and put this back in. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like or comment, question below.